In today's market, technology is evolving faster than most investors can comprehend. We are seeing global innovation reshape entire industries overnight. But while the crowd is chasing the same 5 popular tech stocks, 2 companies are quietly positioning themselves at the center of billion-dollar trends. Whether you are watching the rise of next-generation biological tools that decode human cells, or the explosive demand for ultra-fast AI data connectivity, these 2 stocks are standing out in ways Wall Street isn't even paying attention to yet, and the numbers behind their latest moves are too compelling to ignore. Imagine 2 companies, worlds apart. One is a profitable, established leader. The other is a high-risk, high-reward innovator. Today, we are breaking them down. Before I give you the ticker symbols, you need to understand the massive problem these companies are solving. First, the biological revolution. Pharma companies need to see inside the human cell with a level of clarity that was impossible 10 years ago. They need technology that can analyze millions of cells in seconds. Second, the AI bottleneck. Everyone is buying NVIDIA chips. But there is a hidden problem. You can have the fastest AI chips, but if the cables are too slow, the whole system chokes. The future of AI isn't just about computing power, it's about data velocity. We need a technology that moves data at the speed of light. These are the 2 themes we are investing in today. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before making investment decisions. All data and insights discussed here were sourced from publicly available information, including the company's official websites, press releases, and investor reports, as well as reliable financial sources, not a buy recommendation. Before we dive in, please take a second to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and also subscribe. Please help this video to get at least 500 likes. It really helps to support the channel and keeps us bringing you the latest market insight. Thank you. First up is Cytek Biosciences, trading under the ticker CTKB. This company operates in the biotechnology sector, specializing in advanced cell analysis technology. If you've ever wondered how scientists study individual cells to develop new drugs or therapies, Cytek is one of the companies making that possible. Their flagship device, the Cytek Muse Microcell Analyzer, recently won the Biotech Breakthrough Award for Drug Discovery Solution of the Year, a strong acknowledgement of their innovation. Cytek is based in the US, but they're not staying local. A new facility in Amsterdam marks their expansion into Europe, opening access to new customers and growth opportunities. Now let's look at Cytek's recent performance. In Q3 2025, revenue came in at $52.3 million, a 2% increase year over year. It's modest growth, but steady. Sales improved in the US, APAC, and other regions, though Europe remained soft. Gross profit was $27.6 million, down 5%, with margins dropping from 56% to 53%. Adjusted for stock-based compensation and acquisition-related amortization, margins land at 55%, still down from 60% last year. What does this mean? Expenses are rising faster than revenue, which could pressure profitability if the trend continues. Next up is POET Technologies, a company pushing the boundaries of AI connectivity. Their optical engines simplify high-speed data transfer, one of the biggest bottlenecks in today's AI-heavy world. They operate in the optical interconnect and AI hardware industry based in Canada, helping data centers move information at blazing fast speeds from 800 gigabits per second to 1.6 terabits per second. They've partnered with major players like Foxconn and SEC, validating their technology and expanding their commercial reach. Here are some major updates showing how quickly POET is advancing. They closed a $150 million oversubscribed registered direct offering, meaning investor demand exceeded expectations. That's typically a strong signal of confidence. They secured an additional $75 million investment aimed at accelerating their AI connectivity roadmap. On October 22, 2025, they received a $5 million production order for their 800G optical engines. This is a significant milestone because it's not a prototype. It's a real production-level order. They won the Most Innovative Award at ECOSI 2025, They launched 1.6 terabits per second optical receivers with SEC, adding further credibility. Financially, for the 3 months ending June 30th, 2025, revenue, $268,000. POET is clearly burning cash, but this is common for an early-stage, high-growth tech company. What matters is the opportunity ahead. The optical interconnect market could grow to $26 to $35 billion by 2030. SciTech Biosciences and POET Technologies are both examples of innovation, one strengthening its global presence, the other building the infrastructure for an AI-powered future. Both carry risks, both offer learning opportunities, and both are worth watching. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of emerging companies and global investment trends. Thanks for watching.